Hey everyone, we're going to write a sequence that has a certain amount of arithmetic means between the two numbers, and I'm doing 4 problems. So if you already know how to do some and you want to just scroll down to one that you like better, you can do that. And so I'm going to start with this first one, number 1, and we have one arithmetic mean in between 12 and 21. So basically we have 12, and we don't know, we have one slot there, and 21. And what you're going to use is your nth term formula for arithmetic means, which is the first term plus your number of terms minus 1 times your common difference. And you're going to fill in everything. You know our n is 3, so we have 3 terms here. So our last term, which is our nth term, is 21. Our first term is 12. Plus 3 minus 1 is 2 times d, and we're looking for d. So you subtract 12 from both sides, and you get 9. So d is 9 over 2, or 4.5. So basically all you're going to do is add, since it's arithmetic, 4.5 to this, and you get 16.5. And that's your answer. Okay, the next set we have is we need to find a sequence that has 2 arithmetic means between -5 and 4. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do our last term, which is 4, first term, and your number of terms minus 1 times your common difference. And what we're missing here is the common difference. So our last term is 4, first term is -5, number of terms is 4, so 4 minus 1 is 3d. You add 5 to both sides. You get 9 equals 3d, so d equals 3. And you're merely going to add 3 to -5, and that gives you -2. And -2 plus 3 is 1, and of course 1 plus 3 gives you your 4. And it's that simple. The next one we have is 2 arithmetic means between square root of 3 and 12. So basically we're going to use our formula. So my last term is 12. So we have 12 equals our first term, and our n equals 4. So we plus 4 minus 1 times d. So we get 12 equals square root of 3 plus 3d. And then you subtract square root of 3 from both sides, and that equals 3d. And so d equals 12 minus square root of 3 over 3. So now all we have to do is add this to our terms. So we're going to add, let's see, square root of 3 plus 12 minus square root of 3 over 3. And that's going to give you, if you write this out, we have to have the same common denominator. So I'm going to write this as 3 over 3. So when you do that, you're going to get 2 square root of 3 plus 12 over 3. So that's going to be this term, or you can put the 12 first if you want. 12 plus 2 square root of 3 over 3. And then you do that again. For this term, we're going to add 12 minus square root of 3 over 3. So that's just going to be 2 these two right here is just going to be square root of 3. And these two are going to be 24. So you get 24 plus 1 square root of 3 all over 3. And if you do it one more time, things will cancel out and you'll just get 12. That one's kind of awkward. Okay, the last one we have is a little easier. We have 3 arithmetic means between 2 and 5. And we use our formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times your common difference. So we have 5 equals 2 plus we have 5 terms. So that's going to be 4d. You subtract 2 from both sides and you get 4d. So d equals 3/4 or 0.75 equals d. And then all you're going to do is add it. So you can just use decimals. It makes it easier. So it's going to be 2.75. And it's like adding money. So $2.75 plus 75 cents would be $4.25, I think, or $3.50, sorry. And then you get $4.25, and then you get 5. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.